Tom with DS Diving. It's December 2nd, Rise of Never Ending. You can see the whole thing. Pretty rough, water's a little shallow, so basically no wind here, but I'll give you this anyways. Underwater is basically all chocolate milk right now, so you can't really see it. Here's the water line.